Hey there, my name is Liz, and let's do a pregnancy workout together. Alright, let's get started. We'll start with some neck exercises. These are just some warm-ups to get everything nice and flowing. I'm gonna move the neck side to side. We're gonna get our wrists warmed up as well because we will be putting a lot of strain on the wrists during these exercises. We also want to get our ankles nice and warmed up. This is really important in pregnancy because we tend to retain fluid in our legs, and doing these quick little exercises actually helps with fluid retention, and it helps bring all the blood back up the legs. We're going to begin with the cat-cow. So you want to make sure that your knees are hip distance apart. You want to inhale and arch the back down, and exhale and arch it upwards. This is a good stretch for the spine and the back muscles. Next, you want to stabilize your core. You want to engage those core muscles and then lift a leg up horizontally and the opposite arm. Then you want to repeat on the other side. Make sure to keep your pelvis stable and keep that core engaged. Contract those abdominal muscles. This works your stabilizers and your balance. We're going to come back and shake out those wrists because it does put a lot of pressure on the wrists. You're going to take your leg out and form a little circle, just like so. This works the glutes quite a bit. Usually in Pilates, we perform these hip circles while we are laying on our back, but because we want to avoid that during pregnancy, especially in the further trimesters, it's better to do it while on our knees. This is quite the difficult exercise to do, and it is even tougher if you make the circles bigger and do them slowly. Shake out those wrists again. Now You want to lay on your side and make sure that your elbow is directly underneath your shoulder. You want to make sure your back is in a straight line, and you want to lift the feet up. Then you are going to extend the leg up like so and bring it back down. This is called the oyster. This really helps build strength. Make sure that you contract the core muscles and engage those abdominals. You want to not be moving or swaying from side to side. It can be a little bit difficult. You can put that arm down in front of you like I have in order to stabilize yourself. Now you're going to bring your legs back down to the mat and extend one leg out. You're going to take that leg and bring it up to your side. It doesn't have to go very high, just high enough for you to feel a little bit of a burn in that glute. Make sure to engage the core and try not to move around while you're doing this exercise. Maintain that core stability. Amazing. We'll repeat both of those on the other side. Make sure that your elbow is right underneath your shoulder and will open up and close. You'll feel the burn in the thighs, the core muscles, the abs, and the glutes as well. This is really building on your strength. Extend the top leg out and just bring it up and tap the floor slightly. Amazing! You did great. I'll see you in the next video.